Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening everyone. Turn on your cameras.
Yes, many of you were absent for the test. Why?
Sir, I went to a function, sir.
What about others?
Sir, it was Raksha Bandhan, so I was outside the whole day tying Rakhis to so many people.
Hmm. Hmm. See, basically, Raksha Bandhan and all. See, it is a matter of 1 hour, 2 hours of time, but not entire day, isn't it?
Sir, it's a whole day event in some people's thing.
Huh?
We have so many cousins, sir. We had to go to all their houses. They were coming to our house.
Huh.
So much nuisance was there.
See, these are all excuses. I do not want to hear basically this kind of excuses. I never would like to, hear this kind of excuses. Basically, I'm against to this kind of excuses. I'm really very against. Yeah, actually, I understand. People go and tie a Rakhi, but it's not necessary to bunk entire day and just. It's a matter of 1 hour of test, just 1 hour of test. I'm not asking you to just sit over there for entire day and don't participate in any other such activities which you wanna do. So it is not the case. You can just do whatever you feel, but just try to attempt at least 1 hour of test and go for wherever you want. See, basically, you should not procrastinate anything. If you're procrastinating something, so what will happen is, no, that's what I'm saying. This is procrastination. You are, you are so delaying everything. If you delay, what will happen is you never, understand the time value. That's for sure.
Yes, sir. Like in the morning, I'll think that, oh, let's do it in like once I come back and all that will happen. But then that all
No,
will
no, no. It
go.
will not happen. I know that if you go out, it will be there only. It will not happen again. That's why you have to attempt the test and go wherever you want. Next time onwards, you make sure that that is that is what you guys are following it. Clear? Pravalika, why didn't you attempt the test? You had a function.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What function? Raki function?
No, sir.
That 1 hour of test, right? Aravind Amrut, turn on your cameras first. Tell me any doubts from the question paper? Any doubts from the question paper?
Sir, I have, sir.
What is that?
Sir, the questions related to limit extend to pi by 4 pi. I got confused there. So
So no problem. We'll solve multiple questions so that you will be able to understand it. Clear? So first we'll solve L'Hospital rule. You just go. I'll teach different concept now. I'll teach different concept in the sense I'm gonna teach you the new concept, which is related to L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. How many of you heard about that? L'Hospital rule. LH rule.
I didn't.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It should be there in your maths 1B book. ఉండి వచ్చాము కానీ మాకు గుర్తులేదు సార్. చాలా ఉంటాయి, అన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటాం ఏంటి? చాలా గుర్తుంటాయి, చాలా ఉంటాయి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో, అన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలని రూల్ ఉందా? చెప్పండి మీరు. తెలియదు, ఉండే ఉంటారు సార్, మాకేం తెలుసు చెప్పండి. మేము లాక్డౌన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మేమందరము మేమంతా కరోనా స్టూడెంట్స్. సో మాకేం తెలుస్తుంది, మీరు మమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నారు గమ్మత్తు కాకపోతే. Are you guys thinking like this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It should be there. Yeah, I just studied instead.
Sir, but I don't think we're done. In school, we're not done with that topic, so I didn't look through.
In school.
Many of you done. People are saying that you have done with the limits lesson.
No, sir.
Okay, you didn't do. So you might be. You are going to hear about that. So you didn't finish limits lesson, right? Okay. Shall I look at that? 1 second. One second. Just a minute. I think. Just a minute, guys. So I'm just opening your text paper, test paper. Just a minute. My goodness. Yes, got it. So make sure that everyone is writing the test from next week onwards.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Look at the questions whichever limit extends to 0, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole to the power of 1 by x given. That is equal to what? So how can we do that? That 1 power of x is a power for both the numerator and denominator. He has split it. He has given 1 pi x to the both numerator and denominator, right? So again, what he has done is he just multiplied and just divide with tan x in the both numerator and denominator. Yes or no? After that, e to the power of 1 divided by e to the power of minus 1. Guys, very simple question. What he has done, look at this. 1 plus tan x whole to the power of, you observe here, everyone try to observe this carefully. 1 second. Look at this here. What is talking? What is trying to talk? Look at this here. This the question. This 1 by x is the right. He has given for both the numerator and denominator. Is that clear? So in the after writing this step, what he has done is 1 plus tan x. 1 by x I have, right? I just multiplied and divide by tan x. He has multiplied and divided by tan x in the numerator and denominator both. Same thing. So 1 minus tan x. So already I had 1 by x, right? I just multiplied and divided by tan x here. All right. So look at this here. 1 by tan x he wrote separately. This 1 by tan x. This 1 by tan x separately. And tan x by x separately wrote. Look at this here. 1 by tan x and this both are separate. And minus 1 by tan x or tan x both are separate he wrote. Right? Try to understand how can we write this. Why? Because if I write so, why I am writing like that? Guys, everyone knows this, right? X square and whole to the power of 2 gives me what? X square into 1 by 2. 2 will be getting answer. It gives me 2. So it gives me x, isn't it? So that's how I just calculate. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just splitting here. So 1 plus tan x. So 1 by x. 1 by tan x, sorry. 1 by tan x here. 1 by tan x. Whole to the power of tan x by x divided by 1 minus tan x to the power of 1 by tan x and whole to the power of tan x by x. So here minus and he just added minus 1 minus. Why you guys minus to minus plus again? So I could write that. So here again, guys, you try to understand here. I'm just adding minus here. Why we are adding minus here? 1 by tan x. Here minus tan x by x. So here minus into minus plus it gives me. It gives me plus. All right. So I had plus here. No, I had plus here. So that's what I'm writing like that. So I know that. Look at this, guys. So if I substitute everything, look at limit extends to 0. If I substitute tan 0, 0. So 0 to the power of infinite and whole to the power of tan x, tan 0, 0 by 0. So 0 to the power of infinite. And we have a note here, not 0 to the power of infinite. Whenever you get such kind of form, whenever you get this kind of form, guys, actually. So limit extends to 0. 1 plus tan x. So you just substitute the limit. What is tan 0? 0. So 0 to the power of, guys, can you see what I'm writing here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm writing. Can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
No,
I'm
sir.
writing now. Can you see?
No, sir.
Now we can see, sir.
That's what I'm asking. I pen no. Wait a minute, guys. 1 minute. Can you see now? Can you see now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, I think you have to take the pen and write, right? Not the text.
I'm writing with the pen only, ma.
Sir, it's not, it's shown here that you're like typing sort of thing.
No, I'm not typing anything. Now? Yes. Guys, whenever look at this tan x here.
Sir,
First,
we still can see.
yes. Now, can you able to see now? See here, the question is looking like in the form of 1 by 0. Power is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinite, isn't it? So whenever you get 1 by
Yes, sir.
0 infinite forms, your always answer will be in e to the power of something like this. E to the power of like this, exponential. So just remember that I'm telling you shortcut. Whenever you get 1 by x, right? 1 by x means x tends to 0 again, 1 by 0. So power is infinite. Whenever you get power is infinite and 1 plus tan x something, look at this here, the power is going, the answer is going to be e to the power of 1 and e to the power of minus 1. If I do this, if e to the power of minus 1, if I shift to the numerator, e to the power of 1 plus 1, e to the power of 2. This is going to be my answer. So guys, you don't worry. So these kind of questions are basically like, somewhat advanced only, but because they're JE question, right? Somewhat advanced level question only, but still. So you just keep solving and keep learning it. You will able to solve. You will be able to perform well in the next exam as well. So look at this now. How many have you done? How many have you? Similar type of question. Similar type of question. In place of x, you must substitute tan theta. How many have you done that? Or else you take, just he has taken 3x common here. If I take 3x common, so x tends to 0. So straight away you can get the answer. And Abhinay, you was asking some questions. What were they? Which question is that? Can you please tell me the question? This one?
Yes, sir.
X tends to pi by 4, this one?
Yes, sir.
So limit x tends to pi by 4, 1 plus tan x divided by cos 2x given. So basically what he has done here, look at this here. I know that 1 plus tan x means what? Using L'Hospital rule. Look at this here, using L'Hospital rule. He has written in the bracket, right? Basically, let me tell you first what is L'Hospital rule. Well, let us talk about that L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. Basically, this name L'Hospital. L'Hospital rule. Now look at this. Now if I have limit x tends to a, f of x divided by g of x. So I told you several indeterminate forms, right? Infinite by infinite, 0 by 0, 0 to the power of 0, infinite to the power of 0, infinite by infinite, 1 by 0. All these are infinite forms, isn't it? All these are indeterminate forms, isn't it, guys? Yes or no? And what we have here, 1 to the power of infinite, 1 to the power of infinite, infinite to the power of 0, Already we have written this. So we have such kind of indeterminate forms. So whenever you are substituting the given variable in a given function, if you are getting these, this one and this one, these forms, then you can apply this L'Hospital rule. What is this L'Hospital rule, sir? For understanding this L'Hospital rule, you must understand differentiation first. First, you understand differentiation. So what is the formula for this? Limit x tends to a f dash of x divided by g dash of x. So we have to differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Now look at the given question. What he has given the question? So 1 plus tan x given. 1 plus tan x by cos 2x given. The question is, look at this. 1 plus tan x divided by cos 2x given. Some limit x tends to pi by 4 given. So look at this here. By using L'Hospital rule, differentiation of 1 is how much? Limit x tends to pi by 4 as it is. I'm writing here. Differentiation of 1 is how much? Differentiation of 1 is what? Differentiation of constant is what? I just told, right? In differentiation basic, 0. Differentiation of any constant is 0, no? I just told you that d by dx of any k is equal to always 0. K is constant here. So here 1. 1 is also constant, right? I'm just doing differentiation of the numerator divided by differentiation of denominator. If I do so, I could get my answer quickly. Look at this here. Limit x tends to pi by 4 as it is. I'm writing. So d by dx of, look at this here, d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of tan x divided by d by dx of cos 2x. So look at this d by, so limit x tends to pi by 4. D by dx of 1 is what? 0 plus d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x divided by d by dx of cos 2x is what? D by dx of cos 2x is what? Minus sine 2x into, again, it is not a standard form. Chain rule, d by dx of 2x. So 2. So d by dx of, so secant square, now substitute x value now, secant square pi by 4 divided by minus 2 secant minus 2 right here as it is minus 2, sorry, sine 2 into pi by 4. So secant square pi by 4. Secant pi by 4 how much? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 is what? Root 2. So root 2 whole square divided by minus 2 sine 2 into 45 how much? Sine 2 into 45 degrees, which means sine 90. Sine 90 gives me 1. So into 1 here. So this will be getting cancelled. So 2 by minus 2, answer gives me minus 1. Is that clear? Is that clear with everyone or not? Answer is what? Minus 1. Is that clear? Minus 1 is the answer. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubts here? This is what L'Hospital rule gives me. So minus 1 is the option, you know, option minus 1 we got, right? Option A given, but oh, okay. 1 second, what he has given? Minus, minus cos correct only. Okay. Acha, x tends to pi by 4 given, minus pi by 4. So if it is pi by 4, guys, it is pi by 4, it is minus 1 is the answer. If limit x tends to minus pi by 4, then answer would be minus 1 here. Answer should be 1. How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this clearly now?
And
Is that clear with everyone, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So basically what you have to do? What you have to do? Guys, what is your job here? What you have to do? I'm asking you. What you have to do? Hello. Arey bhai, look at this. What you have to do here? First, you have to just differentiate the numerator and denominator, both the things. If you differentiate numerator and denominator, both the things, and substitute the given x value in the limit, so that the whatever the answer you get, that is going to be your final answer. So -1 I got here. Next question. Tell me which question you want me to discuss. Probably, sorry, what is your name? Abhinaya. If you know L'Hospital rule, any kind of question which is in the form of 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite, you can solve that particular question within seconds, actually, within seconds, I'm sure. But for understanding L'Hospital rule, you must understand entire differentiation properly. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts or not?
Sir, can you move it down?
Which question? Next.
Not this one, sir.
Which one? This
Sir,
one? Yes, tell me. Come on, make it fast. You should tell me the answer. Which question you want me to discuss. Don't waste my time. Make it fast.
Sir, it will be at last, sir.
It will be last. So limit extends to 0. Cos cosec x minus cot x divided by x.
Sir, not this one, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 19th one, sir.
Basically, it is this kind of questions are like logarithmic questions. How was your approach? How many of you try? How many of you tried to solve this? Abhinav? What is your name? Abhishek? What? Amrud? Amrud? Amrud, how did you solve it? Arey, Amrud ji, have you solved or not?
No, sir, I didn't get this.
Okay. So what are the questions you solved? Tell me. So limit extends to 0, 1 plus x to the power of 1 by x minus e divided by x as given. So guys, if you observe this carefully, 1 plus x, he has given clear cut solution here. Look at this. Here 1 plus x to the power of 1 by x can be written as e to the power of log of 1 plus x divided by x. Why? Because log of 1 plus x divided by x. Why do we need to write like that?
Sir, logarithm formula.
Yes. Look at this here, 1 plus x to the power of 1 by x can be written as e to the power of log 1 plus x divided by x. So now we must know logarithmic extension form for that. We must know logarithmic extension. Like e to the power of 1 by x, if I take a look at this. See here carefully. Here I have 1 by x. Array, 1 second. Look at this carefully. Here, what he has done is this 1 by x we have, right? This 1 by x. This 1 by x. This 1. This 1 by x is just pulled outside. So log of 1 plus x series he wrote. Laga 1 plus x series expansion is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus, alternative, signs will come here. So guys, there will be a couple of, expansions. Sin x expansion is what? Cos x expansion is what? Log x expansion is e power of x expansion. You have so many expansions, standard, formulas. So actually what you have to do is, we just have done with the concepts. We just have done with the concepts in order to finish our syllabus quickly. And guys, you do one thing. Everyone try to solve the questions every day. Every day, I do not know how many of you are solving the questions from limits. Limits is a very easy and important chapter for your JE point of view. And guys, and look at this here. We are going to do first. We done with the limits, right? Now we came for differentiation. So after finishing differentiation, we'll solve JE questions on limits and differentiation. We'll solve JE questions on limits and differentiation. Different questions and very important questions. First, we'll finish the differentiation. Without understanding differentiation, we'll not able to understand, L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is a very important and very easy to solve actually. L'Hospital rule means what? Differentiation of numerator divided by differentiation of denominator. So after doing this, you have to substitute the x value in a given, in a derivative of numerator and in the derivative of denominator. If you substitute the x value, you will just get the final answer, right? So here, that is what, if I just tell you that now, you will be able, I don't think so you will understand that. So log x expansion is this now. After that, e as it is, I'm writing, if I just multiply 1 by x into x, 1 by x into x minus 1 by x into x square by 2 plus 1 by x into x cube by 3 minus, and goes on. Look at this, x will get cancelled, x will get cancelled, x will get cancelled. I remain with 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 3 minus, and so on. That's how we look at this, 1 minus x minus 2 x square by 3 and so on. So that's what I got here. So again, look at this here. This is again one expansion of exponential function. So guys, it is like, we should learn first the exponential functions, then only you will be able to understand. But it looks somewhat difficult only. I understand there are difficult questions like 5 to 6 questions are very difficult to solve. So guys, I'm just telling you that this kind of question, wherever you feel difficult, you just keep aside. After finishing differentiation, we'll solve that, we'll solve this kind of questions separately. But because these are bullet questions, so gunshot questions. Gunshot means you can expect one kind of concept from this kind of question in JEE mains. You can expect one questions from this kind of concept. So that's why. So first, let us go with differentiation. Then let us come back again for L'Hospital rule. And we have a couple of expansions: sin x expansion, cos x expansion, tan x expansion, and log x expansion, e power of x expansion. We have a couple of expansion. Then we'll go for that. Apart from this question, is there any other question, guys? Yes, there are many questions. I think so. Many questions we know might be might have troubled you. How many questions how many questions you felt difficult, guys? Arvind ji.
Yes,
See
sir.
here, yes, the thing is like, you must solve the problems. If you do not go and just touch your foundation book or any JE book, I'm sure, guys, you will never solve any JE questions. So it doesn't mean that our maths sir is not solving many. We cannot solve all type of questions in a class. We have less amount of time. We have to finish the syllabus first. Then the solving the questions is your job. If you get a time in last, we'll go for all type of questions, no problem. But I just done with the concept. Please go through the questions from your foundation book. I shared the worksheet as well. Please do solve that. Clear? Yes. So now look at this now. Next question. Is there any doubt? Is there any other question? Is there any other question? Tell me. How many of you solved 10th question? 10th question. Guys, sin x minus x divided by 3x cube. Sorry, x cube. Let me write here. Aravind? Aravind Swami,
Yes, sir.
did you solve this?
No, sir.
Amrut, did you?
Sir, no, sir.
Then how did you get correct? How did you get correct this? I'm just asking you, how did you get correct this, man? Look at this. Limit extends to 0. Sir, I just gave the option blindly. Don't give blindly, guys. If you put the option blindly, I'm telling you, you're cheating yourself. See, my first job is what? Substitute the x value. So limit, substitute sine 0 minus 0 cube divided by 0 cube. Sine 0 is 0 minus 0 by 0. So I got 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form. So whenever you get 0 by 0 and infinite by infinite, apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? Just now I told. What is L'Hospital rule? So limit extends to a f of x divided by g of x gives me limit extends to a derivative of numerator divided by derivative of the denominator. This is my L'Hospital rule. Right now, by using L'Hospital rule, how can I solve this question? Look at this. Limit extends to 0. So d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. And d by dx of x cube is what? 3x square. D by dx of x cube is what? 3x square again. Now look at this. Guys, how can I solve this again? How can I solve this? Can I split something like this? Limit extends to 0. Cos x divided by 3x square minus 3x square divided by 3x square. So look at this. This will be 1. This will be 1, isn't it? Option given D is wrong. Oh, cos x minus. Acha, I wrote wrong, guys. Question itself I wrote wrong here. Look at this. Here x, not x. So sin x minus x is the question. We wrote x cube. So limit extends to 0. D by dx of sin x is what? Cos x minus 1 divided by 3x square. Right? So what you do here? Substitute. Again, look at the, again you substitute cos 0 minus 1 divided by 3 into 0. Cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 by 0. Again 0 by 0 form. Again indeterminate form. Sir, what I must do now? Sir, one time I got, that is fine. Again I am getting 0 by 0 form. What I should do? What should I do here? Again you apply L'Hospital rule. Look at this. Again you differentiate the numerator. Again you will get the same thing. Or else, can we do one thing? The limit extends to 0. D by dx of cos x is what? Sin x minus sin x d by x of -1 is 0. d by x of 3x square is 6x. All right, is that clear? How many of you clear with this point? Again, I applied L'Hospital rule here. Applied L'Hospital rule here. Clear? Any doubts? Now look at this here. So -1/6 I can take outside. Limit x tends to 0. I remain with simply x sin x by x. So this part gives me what? Tell me. Hello.
One.
-1/6 into 1 gives me -1/6. This is my answer. So option D is correct. Look at the option D is correct here. Option D is correct. Any doubts? Any doubts, children?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
So any questions still? So look at this, for understanding this, you must again you have to understand differentiation. For understanding the 9th question also, you must again solve by using differentiation only, L'Hospital rule only. So you can solve by normal method only. The normal method also you can solve, but by using L'Hospital, it is very easy to solve actually. Yes guys, this is how just go through the question paper again and just do one thing. Everyone turn on your cameras. I said, don't turn off your cameras. First, everyone, this question paper, those who have attempted, those who didn't attempt the test, you make sure one thing. After finishing the differentiation, I'll teach L'Hospital again. Please go through the question paper again and try to solve by using L'Hospital rule. Try to solve all the question by using different. First, for understanding L'Hospital rule, you must know differentiation first. If you do not know the differentiation, you never understand L'Hospital rule. All right, what is differentiation? Differentiation means in differentiation we have formulas. You have to go for that. You have to understand chain rule. What is chain rule in the differentiation? Have you heard about chain rule, Pravalika?
No, sir.
In last class we have discussed, isn't it?
The last class I was absent, sir.
So you absent for last class as well as the test also.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was not feeling well that day, sir.
So Anjali, what we have learned from chain rule? Tell me. Anjali, tell me.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat what you said?
What we have learned from differentiation. I mean chain rule. What do you learn about? What did you learn about chain rule? What is chain rule? Why do we apply chain rule? If you have cycle chain, sir, so we can apply chain rule, sir. Huh? Chain rule means what? Chain rule means cycle chain, sir. Simple. Yes, it is a cycle chain, man. You can remember like that. Yes, don't laugh. Seriously. See, cycle chain. The cycle chain also one, links will be having links, right? One link to other. So the function will be also wherever the function are linking to each other. Then you can apply chain rule. That's how you can remember. You understand? So why do we use chain rule? Amrut, tell me. Amrut Pasha, tell me.
Sir.
Tell me, Amrut ji, make it fast. Why do we use chain rule? I just told. Refer the class notes now, right? Turn the page, read the definition, whatever I told, just tell me by looking at that. என்னடா தம்பி நீங்க என்னடா பண்றே? எனக்கு சத்தியமா அது I don't even understand, to be honest, what you guys are doing at home. I just give clear cut notes. Tell me. Seriously, எனக்கு சத்தியமா புரியாதா என்ன நீங்க என்னடா பண்ற தம்பி? See, கண்டிப்பா நீங்க படிடா. Airva exam la fail Airva. This is a kandipa. This is a for sure. I'm telling, right? Puriyuma I'm saying. Huh? You understand what I'm trying to say? అర్థమవుతుందని చెప్పింది అందరికి ఇక్కడ తెలుగు అందరికి అర్థమవుతుంది కదా
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
అమృత్ అరవింద్ జీ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు
Yes, sir.
అరే అమృత్ జీ యూ లాఫ్ మ్యాన్
Yes,
నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ లాఫ్ ఫర్ ఎ వైల్ అరే నవ్వురా బాబు ఏం కాదు కానీ అయ్యో అమ్మ సిగ్గుపడుతున్నాడు అబ్బా బాబు అప్పుడప్పుడు నవ్వాలరా నవ్వుతే ఏం కాదు నవ్వుతే అన్ని కరెక్ట్ అయిపోతాయి ఇప్పుడు నవ్వినంత మాత్రం నువ్వు రేపు చదవలేదు అనుకో మళ్ళీ నవ్వుతావు క్లాస్లో నువ్వు అప్పుడు గట్టిగా నవ్వమని చెప్తా అప్పుడు నేను ఐ ఆస్క్ యూ టు లాఫ్ లౌడ్లీ దెన్ సో టుమారో యువర్ జాబ్ ఈస్ టు డూ వాట్ గో త్రూ all the basics of differentiation, whatever we have gone through, please go through that and just tell me in tomorrow's class. If you're not just telling me all the if you're not summarizing me, basically summarize. I'll ask you to summarize what we have learned. If you're not summarizing within 5 minutes of time, tomorrow you're going to laugh at your home like ha 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 ha. Clear? Yes, I'm happy to laugh. Yes, I laugh. This is my home, so I laugh. Don't tell like that. You are going to learn. Okay. Tell me, Arvind. You just tell me, Arvind.
What?
Water.
Yes, sir.
నువ్వు అసలు క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నావా బాబు?
Sir, the question or what should I answer, sir?
The question only you should ask.
Why do we use chain rule? That one, sir.
Ah.
Sir, we use it to while differentiating a function. Sir, we will use that while differentiating a function.
Oh, I thought for linking the cycle chain.
No.
నేను ఏమనుకున్నా అంటే సైకిల్ చైన్ ఉంటుంది దాన్ని లింక్ చేయడానికి చైన్ రూల్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనుకున్నాను నేను. చైన్ రూల్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయడానికి కదా. అవును, డిఫరెంట్ ఫర్ ఫైండింగ్ ద డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ. బట్ వెన్ డు వి యూజ్ దట్? వాట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ పర్పస్?
Sir, composite function, sir.
Composite function.
The present.
If a function is not in a standard form, then we will use chain rule. A standard function అంటే ఏంటి? స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఆ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటిది?
Two functions.
స్టాండర్డ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అంటే నేను ఇచ్చిన ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 14 ఫార్ములాస్ ఏమో ఇచ్చా కదా. I just gave 14 formulas, right? If
Yes,
any
sir.
question, listen to me carefully. If any question which is not in that form, if any question is not in the form of that particular form, then you must apply chain rule. Let me tell you one thing. Look at this. See here, chain rule enna? Pravalika, you were absent, right? Did you go through the video lecture? I mean, did you go through the recording?
Today I'll go through them.
Please go through that and just I'm going to ask the questions. Tomorrow you are going to teach all chain rule.
Okay, sir.
Chain rule concept నువ్వే చెప్తున్నావు రేపు క్లాస్ లో.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Chain rule is basically are applied when the given function is not in a
Not present.
standard form.
Sir, you're not sharing the screen, sir.
For suppose look at this. నేను ఏమడుగుతానంటే I know the formula d by dx of sin x ఏంటిది ప్రవళిక? d by dx of sin x ఏంటిది? Don't look at the notebook. Who is looking at the notebook? ప్రవళిక d by dx of sin x ఏంటిది? అంతా మర్చిపోయినా సార్ నేను.
Sir, y is equal to cos x.
y is equal to cos x ఏంటమ్మా? డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin x cos x అంతే. మళ్ళీ y is equal to ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? అది మళ్ళీ రావద్దు. ఇది నా స్టాండర్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫార్ములా, isn't it? Now d by dx of కాస్ ఎక్స్ ఏంటిది?
minus sin x.
మైనస్ సైన్ ఎక్స్. ఇది కదా ఫార్ములా చెప్పింది. దీని ఆన్సర్ ఇది, దీని ఆన్సర్ ఇది. మళ్ళీ వై ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? వై అనేటోడు ఎవడు మళ్ళా? మళ్ళీ వై చెప్పొద్దు. వై ఈస్, వాట్ ఈస్ వై హియర్? వై ఈస్ అ ఫంక్షన్.
Function.
వై అనేటోడు ఈడు. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్, లుక్ అట్ దిస్, ఇఫ్ y is equal to sin x, then dy by dx ఏమిటి అంటే y is equal to sin x ఇచ్చాడు, dy by dx అంటే ఏంటిది అంటే cos x. అవునా? మళ్ళీ y is equal to cos x అంటే తప్పు అవుతుంది here. So this is my standard rule, isn't it? So these are my standard formulas. ఓకే సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఓకే బానే ఉంది, ఇది బానే ఉంది. ఓకే, వాడు ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ లో ఒకవేళ ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ హీ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ dy by dx ఆఫ్ sin 2x, అమ్మో నాకు రాదు, మా సార్ చెప్పలేదు నాకు రాదు అని చెప్పొద్దు. వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? ఇది చైన్ రూల్ వాడితే వస్తుంది. చైన్ రూల్ ఎట్లా వాడాలి మనకు తెలియాలి. హౌ టు యూస్ ద చైన్ రూల్, దట్స్ వాట్ వి మస్ట్ నో, రైట్? See here, our sir has taught, our mathematics sir has taught only dy by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. So I'll write only cos 2x. నువ్వు ఇది ఓన్లీ రాసావు అనుకో, వాడు ఓన్లీ ఇట్లా మార్కులు వేస్తాడు. ఇట్లా మార్కులు వేసి ఇట్లా నీట్గా పంపి, అర్థమైందా? సో దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ హీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ cos 2x, that is wrong. That is wrong. Look at this here. సో ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, నా ఫార్ములా, దిస్ ఇస్ మై స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములా. ఇగో నేను ఫార్ములాస్ ఇచ్చాను కదా, దీస్ ఆర్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్. Standard formulas or standard functions. Standard functions ఏంటివి? ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫంక్షన్, ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఓకేనా? I just gave you 14 formulas if I'm not wrong. Those all are 14 are like standard functions. If you anywhere if you are not, Anjali వింటున్నావా క్లాస్? ఎక్కడున్నావు అంజలి? వేర్ ఆర్ యూ? ఆర్ యూ ఇన్ క్లాస్?
Yes, sir.
Then respond in the class. I'm asking the questions. At least say yes or no sometimes. Turn on your camera. No, nothing will happen. Turning on your camera, just respond to the question. No problem. ఏదో లోకంలో ఉంటే మనం ఏదో లోకానికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. All right. Please be present. Be present in the class. So d by dx of sin 2x. d by dx of sin 2x అంటే Arvind.
Yes,
d by
sir.
dx, look at this. d by dx of sin x అంటే నాకు తెలుసు. వినండి అందరూ careful, listen to be careful here. Listen to be careful. d by dx of sin x I know that. d by dx of sin x I know. కానీ ఇక్కడ sin 2x ఇచ్చాడే, కానీ ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్ లో ఏం ఇచ్చాడు? 2x ఇచ్చాడు. Then what I must do now? In place of x he has given 2x. What I am going to do now? I do not know sin 2x formula. Sin 2x is not my standard function. Sin x is my standard function. అవునా కదా? Sin x is my original function. అంటే నువ్వు చెప్పి ఇవన్నీ ఒరిజినల్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అనమాట. This is original function. These are not original one. These are some duplicate one. Let us consider this a duplicate. Sin 2x given, so this that is what called as somewhat duplicate function. Now how could I just differentiate that? How could I differentiate that? Look at it. In place of x, what I have here? X is equal to what I have? 2x, isn't it? అవునా కదా? లేకపోతే ఇట్లా తీసుకోండి. Let 2x is equal to t అనుకుంటా నేను. అనుకోవచ్చు కదా, t ఏదైనా అనుకోవచ్చు కదా, అవునా కదా? నౌ ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి, d by dx ఆఫ్ sin 2t ప్లేస్ లో t పెడతా. ఏమైనా తప్పు అవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా తప్పు అవుతుందా? కాదు కదా.
No.
సో d by dx ఆఫ్ sin t ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు? cos t. అవునా? అవునా? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, cos t d by dx ఆఫ్ cos t కదా, ఇలా ఓకే, ఇలా అవుతుంది, బాగుంది. సో ఇక్కడ t ప్లస్ లో ఎవరు? మళ్ళీ cos t అని రాసి వదిలేయద్దు. t ప్లస్ లో ఎవరు రాయాలి? 2x రాయాలి. నువ్వు అనుకున్నావు, you just took that t as 2x, but how come an examiner know that whether t is equal to x or whether k is equal to x, whether a is equal to x, what is equal to x? How come an examiner know that? Until you write, he never understand, right? So t ప్లస్ లో మళ్ళీ 2x రాయాలి. ఇంటూ అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్ కాదు, మళ్ళీ d by dx ఆఫ్ ఎవరు చేయాలి? వీడు ఎక్స్ట్రా ఫంక్షన్ కదా, x అనేటోడు ఒరిజినల్ ఫంక్షన్ మా, కానీ 2x వచ్చాడు, వాని కూడా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి కదా. You understand? Look at this. If you don't understand like that, d by dx of sin 2x is what? Cos 2x into dy by dx of again 2x. మళ్ళీ dy by dx of మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు చేయలేదు సార్ మనము? ఇక్కడ కూడా చేసాం కానీ మనకు తెలియదు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ కూడా చేసాం మనము. సో dy by dx of sin x ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు? cos x వచ్చింది. మళ్ళా ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చాడు కదా, వీని మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తా అంటే చేసుకో, ఎవరు వద్దన్నారు? dx by dx, dx కొట్టుకొని పోతారు, ఒక్కడు మిగులుతాడు, ఎవడు? cos x. I'll just remain with cos x. You understand? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
This is what I'll get here. Now similarly, same Ramayana Mahabharata will happen to the cos 2x, sin 2x, every 2x. Right? Look at this here. d by dx sin 2x and evaru? Cos 2x. And evaru? Cos 2x. Malla again look at this, d by dx of 2x ఎందుకు చేశానంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చాడు కదా, వీడు ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చాడు కదా, వాని కూడా కొట్టాలి కదా నెత్తి మీద ఒకటి, అందుకు చూడండి. సో cos 2x, d by dx of 2x is what here? d by dx of kx అంటే ఏంటిది? k కదా. d by dx of 2x అంటే ఎవడు? 2. సో 2 cos x, 2 cos 2x is my answer. All right, you understand my point here? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Now d by dx of tan 3x ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? తక్కువ అని చెప్పాలి, తొందర ఆన్సర్. టైమ్ అప్, ఇంతసేపు చేయొద్దమ్మా.
C.
చెప్పు.
Sir, sec square 3x.
secant square 3x.
Yes, sir.
మళ్ళా లోపల 3x ని ఎవరు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తారు? differentiation of 3x gives me 3, isn't it? అవునా కదా? So 3 secant square 3x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So please revise that and come for the next class. Okay, thank you, goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Please, those who are absent for the last class, go to the lecture, last lecture, previous lecture, and try to understand. Invest your time. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది? 7:30 అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయా మీకు? Do you have any classes after this?
Chemistry class.
Chemistry class. As soon as you do that, you have dinner and బజ్జో లాలి జోజో అంతేనా? తిని పడుకుంటారు అంతేనా ఇప్పుడు?
No, sir. I have to study biology.
Study, but at least 10 to 15 minutes you just invest your time. Yeah, I understand you have other subjects too, but 10 to 15 minutes at least invest on mathematics too. Okay, chalo. And if you are not investing, you have tomorrow as well. You invest your just 20 to 25 minutes of time every day 10 minutes. What we have learned, and every day 10 minutes అవుతే వచ్చేస్తా సార్ మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే నేను తోపు అయిపోతా మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే కాదు, అవ్వలేము. And I'm just telling you what to learn and what are the things has been done in the class for knowing that, for getting into touch, for getting into the track. You just go for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 నిమిషాలు వెళ్తే ఒక నువ్వు ట్రాక్ లో ఉంటావు అనమాట. ఏంటంటే తెలుస్తుంది నీకు ఏం చెప్పాడు సార్ అని. ఓకేనా? ఆల్ రైట్ గైస్, సో లెట్స్ రిటైర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.